Welcome back. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 affiliate marketing niches that hold immense potential in 2023. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting your journey, these niches can help you generate substantial income and build a thriving online business. So let's dive right in. Number 1 on our list is health and wellness. With people becoming increasingly conscious of their well-being, promoting products related to fitness, weight loss, healthy eating, supplements, and mental health can lead to significant success. By aligning yourself with a reputable brand and providing valuable content, you can attract an audience of passionate people who want to improve their overall health. Next up, we have sustainable and eco-friendly products. As sustainability takes center stage, consumers are actively seeking eco-friendly alternatives. By promoting reusable items, organic cosmetics, solar-powered devices, and ethical fashion, you can tap into a growing demand for environmentally conscious products. Make a positive impact on the planet while earning a handsome commission. The third niche that continues to gain momentum is technology and gadgets. With constant technology advancements, people are always looking for the latest gadgets, smart home devices, and wearables. By showcasing the benefits of these products and reviewing honestly the products, you can engage tech-savvy consumers and boost your affiliate earnings. Moving on to personal finance and investment niche. This evergreen sector remains a hot topic. Many individuals aspire to manage their finances effectively, invest wisely, and achieve financial independence. By promoting financial tools, budgeting apps, and investment platforms, or providing educational content on personal finance, you can establish yourself as a trusted resource and earn some lucrative commissions. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have the home improvement and DIY niche. With more people spending time at home, the interest in home improvement projects has soared. By promoting tools, home renovation products, DIY tutorials, or even offering interior design inspiration, you can capture the attention of homeowners and DIY enthusiasts, earning commissions along the way. And there you have it. That's our top 5 affiliate marketing niches of 2023. Now remember, success in affiliate marketing hinges on thorough market research, understanding your target audience, and delivering valuable content. So stay up to date with the latest trends, adapt your strategies, and watch online businesses thrive. I hope you found this video useful. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with more excellent content. Always feel free to leave your questions and comments below, and I'll be happy to assist. Until next time, keep hustling and happy affiliate marketing.